Welcome to Down Below. I told you there was a bit of color showing here, a little bit over here, and some purple stuff over here. And like I said, this is not on sort of the main level. This is off to the side, which was a bit of a surprise. I'm talking through the mask. I'm not sure how well you can hear me. So I took out some of the stuff underneath, some of the garbage underneath, some of the mullet. And now I'll take it and see if any color comes out. That piece shows a little bit of blue and purple stuff. Nothing great, but worth picking up. There's a little bit more. It doesn't look very exciting. We'll keep going and see. A much nicer line of color there. Whoops. It's not a building diamond. There's a bit more in there. And a bit more in there. Well, and I can see that there's some more exposed here, so I should remove some of this other stuff too. There's a little bit there. The stuff over here on the, well, there's a little bit there. The stuff on the left side does not look as interesting as the stuff on the right, but I'll give it a stab.